Say hi, everybody. This is PawPaw Ray and Baby, and Baby's almost ready to go for her, almost ready to go to bed for nap. But we're going to try and get this. We have another box from Parragon, and we're going to do another unboxing. So, and this time I've already prepared the top, so I'm not wrestling with it like I did last time. So here we go. Wrestling a little bit. And there's two books that have to do with using the potty. Potty Fairy Princess. And that one's pink. I bet you'll like that one. And this one's Potty Superhero. And I bet you that they're to be used to help boys and girls like you learn how to use the potty. That is very timely. Good job, Parragon. All right. What else? What's this next thing? There's a lot of color there. Ooh. Look at that. Can you show them? It's called, here, real quick. See? It's called Totally Brain-Busting Number Puzzles. Over 100 perplexing puzzles. I bet you this is for older kids. Since you're just learning to count, yeah, suitable for 5 and above. This is 3 years over your pay grade. It's got some neat pictures. Look, there's giraffes. You like giraffes. Okay, so 3 years from now, you'll love that book. Want to grab the next one? Looks like a Christmas book. It's a heavy one.
I got another one.
Oh, you're moving ahead on me. This says Treasury of Christmas Stories and Songs. Very nice hardback book. And it has some nice pictures in there. This is the first Christmas story. I'm sure the rest of the pictures are just as nice, and we all know who that man is. And the book that she ran off with, the 2 books she ran off with. Look, there's 2 books. Here's one that says 2,000 stickers. And here's my biggest Christmas activity book ever.
Mine too.
Yeah. I used to get these when I was a kid and start on the first part of December and use it all the way up to Christmas Eve and do the entire book. This says there are over 200 stickers and it includes a Santa poster in it. Very nice. All sorts of activities and coloring and that sort of thing. Stuff to keep us busy. Yay. Yeah, how about that?
Where's she going?
She's on her potty.
Where's she going?
She's on her potty.
She got her diaper off.
Yeah, she doesn't need a diaper anymore because she's using the potty. Isn't that nice? Yeah.
That's a good ever.
And that's the biggest ever Christmas activity book. I like those books.
I like it too.
Do ya? And here's a Memories and Moments of Baby record book. And it has a spiral binding inside to make it easy to turn. And the contents shows your family, we're expecting, getting ready for baby, the big arrival, coming home, your first year month by month, firsts, out and about, daily life, And then reflections. It's got over 90 pages in it of things that you can fill out about your baby. Keep all of your keepsakes in there. I feel some of these have, yeah, some of these have little pockets in them to hold goodies. Very nice. Well, thanks for sending us the books in the box so that we can open them up. We really appreciate it. And there's a lot of great books there, and we're going to look at them a little closer later. Maybe tomorrow after baby wakes up. So, no! So, thanks for watching us open this box and look at these books. And having said that, we'll say goodbye, everybody.